Hi, I just want to go over a few of the strategies we're going to use to add and subtract our numbers as we go through the unit. So, for example, we have a word problem here where we have 153 cans for the food drive. We need some more cans because we need a total of 250 cans. We want to figure out how many more cans that we need in order to get the total cans. So, first we write down our facts that we have, and then we're going to build a strip diagram. So, here we're going to draw strip diagram. This represents the 153 cans that we have already. And then we need to add the total, which is 250 cans. So that's what we need. And here we can see that we don't have quite what we need. We're missing part of it, but we have one part, but part plus part equals whole. So we're going to build our equation. So we have 153 plus an unknown number equals 250 total cans. So now we can see that we can flip it using our fact family and put the total first and take away a part, and that gives us the other part. So if we put the total first and we subtract 153, that should get us the missing part. So I'm going to use my base 10 blocks here to build it. I have 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have 250. Now I can't take away 3 ones if the ones are caught up in the 10s. So we're going to break the 10s, decompose them so that I can access those ones and take away the 3. So I'm going to break one of the 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I'm going to take away 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And that leaves us 7 ones. And then we got to take away 5 10s, but we only have 4. But 100 is a collection of 10 10s together, a bundle. So we can break the bundle of 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Sorry, that's my arrow here. So now we can take away 5 10s to be 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that was 5 10s. And now we need to take away the 100. This one doesn't count. This one's just breaking it so we can take away the 10s. So take away that last 100. So that leaves us with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 97. So there are 97 cans that we still need to collect in order to reach 250. But we also need to check to make sure we did our math correctly. So if we put the two parts back together, hopefully we will get the total again. So I'm going to add 3 plus 7, that's 10. And then here I have 90 plus 50. So if I think 90 plus 50, I can break this 50 into a 10 and a 40 and add that 10 to the 90, and that makes it 100, and then add the 40. So it's 140, or 14 tenths. And then I have 100. So we have 100, but we also have 100 here. So we got to add both the hundreds together. So that's 200. And then I can add my 40 and my 10. That makes 50. So this is some math strategies we want to use as we go through the unit. I wanted to share it with you. You'll see some of this stuff coming home with the kids. And this is what we're going to work on in class. Adding and subtracting. Taking the information from word problems. We'll do start unknown, change unknown, and result unknown problems. And if you have any questions, just give me a call.